10/17 of 2012, we are going to talk about the eBay report and the eBay earnings after hours. And I would like you to see, MMTs, that buying down here off of that bottom as we were going through the earnings, that when I said that the earnings release was not bad on eBay. eBay beats by a penny. Yes, the revs were in line, and yes, fourth quarter EPS revs are in line. That's not a miss. And they dropped it down over $2.20 where it was buyable, and those buyers buy those dips. There's a little controversy to the earnings, but remember, one of the things, revenues increased 9% year over year, and it was really driven by strong growth in the United States and Asia Pacific. That's something to take note of. The other thing that you're going to want to know is that the active user growth continued to accelerate during the quarter, reaching 10% year over year, the fastest growth since year 2007. With the company repurchased 47 million of its common stock in Q3. So eBay's really been busy buying its stock. And they don't buy that at these levels from that last quarterly level. They did a great earnings report. And once again, we look for the best of the breed. We look that when eBay sells down to support levels, that the transactions are made and then sold. Any dips going forward throughout this year, we will buy dips and hold eBay because eBay has a growth story. And I just said what it was. It's the fastest growth since 2007. Now, one of the other things that I like is 16 billion in the third quarter of 2012 is what they did. And basically Q4 revs of 3.85 to 4.0 billion versus 3.94 billion. So they're running their consensuses right in line with what they're doing. I'm still a believer that eBay for longer term, outside of our shorter term trading, is that whenever there is compelling opportunities to buy this on the dip, we would. In market volatility, such as, here's why. You get down here to 46, you got to own eBay. eBay was only 47.80 on the low and 48.69 on the high and closed at 48.20. You bought it below the market. You should be happy with yourself. Learn how to buy the dips and the good quality after hours earnings volatility. eBay posted a great quarter as far as I'm concerned within the business channel. Yes, it's going to be a little bit competitive, but the build out and the PayPal is here to stay on eBay.